welcome. I'm Groovy Kim. Today I'd like to talk to you about using Reiki on your cat. I have a kitty. You might see her. There she is. That's Tasia. Tasia, what are you doing on Mommy's chair? Ever since Tasia was a kitten, she's been tearing up my chair. There's not much left. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in a little for you, but look, it's all ripped up. And yeah, I'm gonna need a new chair soon. Oh, but we love our kitty. So let me bring her down here and get a closer look. You gonna be good and let Mama pet you? It's so funny. She's all over me when I'm trying to do anything but make a video with her, right? Any other video I make, she's right in the middle of it and getting into everything. I want to show her belly. Looky there. I think we might have some kittens soon. Tasia, don't you want Mommy to... Okay, well, maybe we'll make a video later, or maybe we just won't pay attention to her. Sometimes that works. I'll give it a minute. Anyway, she'll get back on my lap. As I was saying, cats love Reiki. In fact, all pets do. You might want to check out my other video. I did one with Tinkerbell, our little dog. Dogs love Reiki too. In fact, people, animals, mammals, even plants love Reiki. And the reason is it's just the vibration of love, and that is an easy thing to do, and you've seen it in various ways. They use it all over the world. Hands-on, you know, healing. If you hover your hand above your arm just a little bit there and leave a little space, you can actually feel the warmth of your hand, but it's energy that you're feeling. And you have an energy field, and all living things do. And you can direct that energy and use it for healing. And that's what Reiki is. And so one of the things that you can do, obviously, is just pet your animal and just, love on it like you normally do. That is actually a form of Reiki. But when it's lying there and not feeling well, for example, that's a really good time to use some of these skills. And you can go ahead and actually use it from a distance. It's really the intention that you're putting into the etheric field. And everything is made out of a wave. Quantum physics tells us that. So that's how it works. You put your intention into it and you send the animal love. And you can also hover your hand right above the animal, like we were saying, and you can also go ahead and just put your hand on the animal. So if you're real familiar with the cat, then the cat won't mind if you're touching the animal and sending it love that way. But it also won't mind, if it's sound asleep and you don't want to bother it, you can be a little distance away, and that works just as well. It's a vibration. It's everywhere. It goes through everything, and that's why it actually works via video as well, long distance, because there is no such thing as space-time, right? When it comes to Reiki, space-time is collapsed, and there's no time involved. So it doesn't matter when you watch this video, the loving vibration is still there, the intention is still there, and it still works. Another thing you can use on your animals, including yourself, are crystals. Crystals have a vibration in them. This one I have here as an example is some avertine. And I like the avertine wand, and a little one like this is just right for a kitty because it gives good scratches behind the ears, right? It's got a nice little point. And oh, they love that. They purr, they just love it. You're saying, yeah, right. Where's your kitty? Tasia, come here, honey. Let me see if I can demonstrate just a moment. Tasia, I got scratches for you. Hey, come see mommy. Come see. Oh, I know what. You want to see my feather? Want to see my feather? I've got my feather. That's kind of cheating. I don't really want her to have it. She might tear it up. Come see the feather? It's more of a lure than anything. Here she comes. You come see? Come up here and see Mama. Come see Mommy. Oh boy, that's nice. And give me kisses. Give me kisses. Do you know you're on camera? Is that the problem? Or is it because my chair is funny and I'm not at my desk normally? Yeah, we got lights and cameras set up, don't we? Here, look at this. Look at that. What is that? Oh, boy, you give scratches? That gives scratches? Oh, that's nice. And see, I'm just kind of scratching her neck with it. You see there? And that feels good. And not only that, but Avertine has a vibration that's good for the heart chakra, right? Oh, yes. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And so the heart chakra, just like on a human, goes through the front and out the back, right? So you can use it on the back of your pet, right about on the other side of where the heart would be. And it works the same. And I just kind of do circular motions, and you're just kind of tuning the crystal to the same frequency as the cat. And what's neat about frequency is that they tune each other like a tuning fork. If you have two tuning forks together and one is stationary and you bong the other one, the stationary one will begin to vibrate. They tune to each other. And crystals do the same thing to living things. The vibrations are formed either deep in the earth or they come from outer space. Most of our crystals are formed here on Earth and at certain frequencies. And it just so happens that, we all come from the same place, right? So we have the same frequencies. And human beings and animals, one time when we get sick, sometimes that illness throws off our frequency. And so this is just a way to bring it back into tune. And it has a very calming effect, which of course is healing. Now notice how she has really calmed down from a little while ago when she was just full of it. I couldn't get her to settle down. Yes. Oh, that's Mommy's good girl. Yes. She's such a sweetheart. We love her. Yes. Tasia. You Mommy's good girl. Mm-hmm. This kitty has been such a joy. She plays fetch. Right through the tunnel. Good girl. And she follows me around. I swear she thinks she's part canine. Oh, and she's decided to lay down on my lap. Absolutely. can use it on yourself. And I use it in my healing sessions with my clients. Avertine, very good. Comes in all different ways. In fact, I've got an Avertine ring right here, see? It's green and it's beautiful, and green has the vibration, like my blouse, it has the vibration, same as Avertine, which is the same frequency as the heart chakra. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's groovy. I like using Reiki on your pets because it's really soothing and calming to the animal. And when they don't feel good, it really does help hasten the healing process and speed it up for them. And just like for people. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Thanks.